Hey, this is Joe here at Allen Ed's Autosound in Marina del Rey. Just got done doing some blackout window trim and wheel paint on a brand new Tesla Model X. We chrome delete, what it's called, with Avery satin black material around the windows. We like to leave just enough chrome, but obviously it is an option, around the mirrors and side markers. But as you can see, a chrome delete and a wheel paint makes a big difference. Turns this car into a really cool Batmobile. Let me take you around to the back. Client wanted to keep the T in chrome, but we did black out the chrome trim on the hatch. Left the Tesla letters. Just enough to kind of tone down all that ugly shiny chrome. Once again, Joe here at Allen Ed's Autosound in Marina del Rey, 310-827-8121.